Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide online status on WhatsApp from specific contacts. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta open WhatsApp app on your phone and then you can click on this U icon at the bottom right corner. You'll be redirected to settings. You gotta click on privacy over here and select last seen and online at the top. So once you do select that, you'll be able to see it says who can see my last seen. So you gotta click on nobody at over here. And then you can also select my contacts except in order to select the contacts that you want to hide it from, or you can select nobody if you don't want anyone to see it. Then under who can see when I'm online, you can select same as last seen or everyone. But if you want to hide it from specific people, then you can simply click on same as last seen. Now the contacts you excluded will not be able to see your online status or even the last seen information. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.